Hello friends, welcome to another video from Unwind Diaries. In this video we are going to look at the Ganga Aarati in Varanasi. The Ganga Aarati in Varanasi has deep historical and spiritual significance. The ritual is believed to date back to ancient times when the Ganges was revered as goddess and a source of purification, and that belief continues to be there even today. The city of Varanasi itself, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, has been a major religious and cultural center for thousands of years. The Dashashwamedh Ghat, where the Aarti is performed, is one of the most important ghats in Varanasi. According to Hindu mythology, it was created by Lord Brahma to welcome Lord Shiva. The name Dashashwamedh refers to a 10-horse sacrifice that Brahma is said to have performed here. The significance of the Ganga Aarti lies in its celebration of the Ganges river as a goddess and a source of life and spiritual renewal. Hindus believe that the river has the power to wash away sins and purify the soul. The Aarti ceremony symbolizes the offering of one's life and soul to the divine, seeking blessings and expressing gratitude. The ritual involves intricate choreography and use of large oil lamps, incense, and conch shells. The priests, dressed in saffron and white robes, perform the Aarti with synchronized movements, creating a spectacular visual and auditory experience. The hymns and chants recited during the ceremony are ancient Vedic mantras that honor the river and invoke its blessings. The Ganga Aarti not only holds religious significance but also serves as a cultural and social event, drawing people from various backgrounds. It reinforces the spiritual connection between the devotees and the river, and by extension the divine. This daily ritual is a testament to the enduring cultural and religious traditions of Varanasi and the deep reverence of the Ganges river in Hinduism. One can appreciate the Ganga Aarti either sitting on the steps of the ghat or on a boat. Both give visual and auditory treat and immerse in the religious ceremony. I hope you will get a chance to visit Varanasi and experience the Ganga Aarti in your life sometime.